Hi beauties, welcome back. What is going on? Happy Valentine's Day. So I decided to bring you another one right away. So I'm just gonna dive right in. So first thing I'm gonna talk about is what I have going on my face. I wanted to do like a pink purple kind of cranberry thing going on today with Valentine's Day. So this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up if you do. I played with the Morphe James Charles palette and I pretty much stood in this area right here. Like I used this as a base, this one right here, and then I went in with the pink one all over my lid and then I smoked it out, and then I put some of this like pinky cranberry shade in there. You know me, I gotta do the cranberry, y'all. Come on now. And then I smudged the bottom with a liner and this color right here, and then I used some of this as well on my bottom lid. So that's what I worked with today, and I absolutely love these colors in this palette, you guys. They blend out so smoothly. I had no patchiness whatsoever. A little bit of fallout, but usually from what I read in the article with like really good eyeshadows, it happens. So it really doesn't bother me. I'm so used to just like tapping off the excess that I really didn't get any fallout on my face at all. It was just like when you tap the brush or whatever. And then I went in on my bottom lower lash with the Marc Jacobs liner in the color, oh geez, what color is this? Grape. Yes, it's called Grape. I used this on my lower lid and then I just smudged it out, and then I added some of the purple shade that I showed you. And then I went in with the Afterglow Urban Decay blush, powder blush. It's supposed to be 8 hours. This is what it looks like. I really like the packaging. It's very different. The only thing, you guys, like, you see the sticker on the back? It's, you know me, I like peachy blushes, and this is the name. It's called Score, but then when you open it, it kind of looks pinky. So it kind of has like a pinky sparkly undertone to it, but I worked with it. It's not a bad color. It's very subtle, like you can see it. You see my highlighter, y'all, right? Oh, let me tell you about the highlighter, y'all. I get excited when it comes to highlighters. So that's what I used for blush. And then, oh, quick, on my sparkly glitter on my top eyelid is the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner Dramatic Sparkle Studio Effect. But this is what it looks like. So that's what I used on the top as the top liner. And then I went in with a Colourpop Super Shock highlighter. And the color is called Blow Me Out. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like in the pan. Obviously I can't use my my fan brush with this because it's like a putty kind of thing. But I use a sponge to put this on. So it goes on really great with a sponge, you guys. And then last but not least, for my lip, I used Colourpop as well, the collaboration with I Love Sarai, in the Ultra Matte Lip, and I used Sueño de Coco, so that's what I used. And then I went on top of it also with Colourpop, with their Ultra Glossy Lip in Stratus, what is that? Stratus Update. So I just put that as like a lip topper. So that's what I have going on the face today, you guys. So let's jump right into this video. As you can see by the title, it's Colourpop versus Maybelline. I really don't want to put like verses or whatever, because they're both two very affordable mascaras. I just wanted to make this video to kind of help you guys if you were wondering about the BFF mascara. This came out not too long ago. I got this in my mystery bag, and if you have not seen that video, I'll link it up above so you can check it out. And I was super duper excited to get this in my mystery bag. Like I completely freaked out. So you'll see it in the video. And then I kept seeing the commercial for the Maybelline New York Snapscara mascara. And in the video, you know, with Gigi Hadid, it was just like, it was a really cute video with like the snap or whatever. It's supposed to be a very quick mascara to work with, very easy to come off, does not give you raccoon eyes. So I definitely wanted to put it to the test to see if what they were saying in the commercial actually happens with the mascara. So, and I also wanted to do this video for you guys so you can kind of check out what's going on in the drugstore with mascaras. But you know, Colourpop is not sold in drugstores, only at Ulta and on their site for now. But and just to bring you something affordable and just to let you know like what worked, what didn't work, and you'll be surprised at the results that I'm about to tell you with these two. So first of all, the first thing I want to tell you about these mascaras is that they each reminded me of one of my Smashbox mascaras, and I have both of them. I'm going to show them to you really quick. The Colourpop one reminded me of the Smashbox Full Exposure one. This one runs for $24. This is $8. And then the Snapscara reminded me of the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. This one runs for $19. This is also $8. So I just wanted to show you as well a comparison. Like if you don't want to, you know, break the bank, or if you're working on a budget, these would be really two good mascaras to go with if you want similar effects of what these mascaras do by Smashbox. So first, with the Colourpop one, you guys, Colourpop dropped their first mascara, and it runs for $8. They also have, I think it's either 7 more in different colors. And this is what it looks like. A lot of people were talking about that it has the same applicator as the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I just got that one in a BoxyCharm. If you also have not seen that video, I uploaded it yesterday and I'll put it up in the corner for you as well. But they do have the same applicator. Now the thing I like about the Colourpop mascara is that it gives me volume. Like it gives me a lot of what I'm looking for in a mascara for a really decent price, you guys. But I will say that like I try this a lot, like I use it a lot, and sometimes it gives me like little flaky fallout, but then sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just like, what am I doing different that sometimes it does give me the flaky fallout and then sometimes it doesn't? Like I don't get it. But that's one thing with this one. And then the other thing is, like, you guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. You know, I always try to be as honest as possible with you guys. For the price point, it is amazing. It is a really good at mascara. It does everything I love for a mascara to do, but it is a messy situation to take off. Like, you will have raccoon eyes straight the hell up. And even with my Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, like I have to use 2 wipes to get this mascara off, you guys. It gives me a lot of raccoon eyes because it is a super dark black, like literally the name is black on black. It is super black, but those are the only 2 issues that I have with it. But I'm like, you guys, it does everything that I needed to do. For $8, you can't go wrong with this. So I'm just like, if you don't care about the mess, it happens with a lot of mascaras. You just gotta, you know, really clean off your eyes and stuff like that. Just be careful. It is a great mascara. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys on this. And by the way, I got the blue and the purple one in these. And the purple one, it is to like die for. But, and I'm also going to do like a close-up. And I'm going to turn my face because I have Colourpop on this side. And I have the Snapscara on this side. So, next, on the Maybelline Snapscara, again, you already know, I already mentioned why I picked this up was because the commercial drew me in and I wanted to see if it really works. And you guys, guess what? It really works. Like, I'm not even kidding. There was no raccoon eyes whatsoever with this mascara when I went to go wipe it off. All you need is like literally warm water and just rinse it off. It gives you no raccoon eyes. It's not clumpy. It doesn't give you flakes throughout the day. And I tested both out several times for more than 8 hours because, you know, I have a full-time job. So that's where like I test out a lot of my products. And another reason why I wanted to try this out is because a lot of the mascaras, as you can see, like come in a circular tube. And this one didn't, you guys. It's really cute. It's very different. I don't think I have a mascara that's in like a squared rectangular bottle. And I thought that was really cool. And I like that they have the eyes on it with the lashes, but I'm like, why did they only put it on one side? It would have been really cute if they put it on the other side too. And I thought the name was really catchy. It was really different. And the applicator is curved. And another reason why I wanted to try this mascara is because me personally, I've never come across a mascara that they had the color Black Cherry. Black Cherry, you guys. So that's the color that I picked up. They also have a purple one, a regular black, and then they also have a blue one. And this also runs for $8, you guys. So yeah, like this mascara, you guys, it's amazing. The only thing is, for me, it doesn't give me the volume that I look for, like the Colourpop BFF mascara gives me. And it does lengthen and it fans out my lashes. But I don't get any flakes from it. There's no like clumpiness to it. Like big chunks of mascara doesn't come out. Like this is a really, really good mascara, you guys. So this mascara actually works. And it leaves no raccoon eyes whatsoever behind. And I feel like if this would be a great mascara, like if you travel a lot, or it's great to use in the summer because it's not going to leave like any fallout, or it doesn't budge or anything like that. And it's not waterproof, but the thing with this mascara, you guys, because it doesn't leave any residue behind and it doesn't like smudge or budge or anything like that, if you go to like a water park, I know a lot of people that they can't be without mascara. Like that is the only thing they use. But I feel like this would be a really good mascara for those kind of people that, like, if you go to a water park or something and you forget that you have mascara, you're not going to get like the runny black lines. You're not going to have like smudged mascara anywhere. It's not going to give you raccoon eyes. It's literally just going to rinse away, and then you're not going to have anything left. It's going to be like you never put mascara on at all, you guys. Like, it is that good. I literally like tried it on for 8 hours, and then I went in with just to rub my eye with warm water like it says, and all you see is like little like pellets of the formula. It just comes off. Like, it's just so crazy, and it doesn't leave any residue behind, you guys. This is a really good mascara. I was shocked myself. I was like, what? Yeah, so you guys, if you don't care about the messiness, the Colourpop BFF is a great mascara. It gives you everything you need to make your eyelashes look like a falsy eyelash. And then if you just like the lengthening fanned out and don't want the mess or the hassle, I would definitely go with the Snapscara. It lives up to what the commercial says and what the packaging says. So these are just really, really affordable, good, and great mascaras, you guys. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, you guys, if you don't want to break the bank and not spend a lot on mascara and you want a good one, a little bit of messiness, $8. No messiness, $8. They're both $8, so you can't go wrong. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna leave you there. I've got plans. I'm going out. I'm gonna go catch a movie and catch some dinner after, and then I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know in the comments down below which one you have tried and how did it work out for you, or which one you would like to try, and we can, you know, talk and conversate about it. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought that it was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.